Hey guys, my name is Michelle from modelingmichelle.com and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I actually want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a lover of fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury, then you are in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you end up enjoying this video, and don't forget to like and comment if you have something to share as well. So. Today is super exciting because I am doing an unboxing, but it is super exciting because it is my first Chanel unboxing. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, you guys. So as I mentioned, this is my first Chanel unboxing. It was actually a gift. This was not expected at all, so it's even more special. But it comes, and I'm just gonna jump into it. All right, so it comes in this bag, which means, as you can see, it does not say Chanel on it, which means it is an item from Saks Fifth Avenue. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, guys. Here we are here. This is the box to the Chanel piece. So I am a fashion girl through and through. I love fashion, I love style, I love beauty, all of the things. And I feel like one of the main brands that you can equate with like fashion and like classic and just luxury and style is Chanel, okay? And her prices definitely reflect that as well. You know what I mean? So just to have my first Chanel piece is just so special, so exciting. And I'm definitely appreciative of my husband for purchasing this for me. So let's just go into the unboxing. So as I showed you guys, this is the box right here. So that means that it is a pair of shoes. So we're gonna just lift it up here. Here's the top of the box. And when you get it, here is what's inside. As you can see, something fell out. It is a little booklet thing. So I'm not sure what's even in here. As I said, this is my first Chanel unboxing, so I have to get into all of the things, you guys, everything. So this is not in English. So I'm gonna put this one back and we'll get into this one here. And this is just a little, okay, I don't think this is in English either. All right, let's just keep it going. All right, so next up is the bag. Two bags. So that's two dust bags for each pair of shoes. So we're gonna put this to the side as well. And then this is how it comes. So I'm just gonna hold this up here, peel this back. The anticipation, y'all. Y'all know if you watch any of my videos before unboxings, I'm all for the anticipation, okay? So open her up, pull her out, and here are the shoes right here. They are slide sandals. Aren't these the cutest things ever? So this is the barcode. I don't know if this will help anyone or if you guys can even see that, but that's the barcode. And it has a little piece here, and here are the shoes, guys. Get into the details here. So it does say Chanel here on the front. It does say Chanel here on the sole on the inside here of the shoe. And then it does have two gold CCs on the back. These are Mules, so it has a little bit of a heel, just a little baby heel. And yeah, oh my gosh. So right here is fabric, and I'm guessing everything else is leather, of course. So, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm gonna pull the other one out. Let me just put this one down and pull the other one out. This is a true unboxing, y'all. I'm gonna put the paper in here, put that in here. We're just gonna keep it going, okay? So we're gonna pull this open, and here is the other shoe. There we have it. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my monitor, so I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna get this figured out to where it doesn't seem like my eyes are too shifty, you know what I mean? So anyway, take this out, and here, let me put both of them together. Right here. Here they are, my Chanel slides. And he got them for me in a size 38, which is a size US 8. So these are going to fit perfectly. I'm going to definitely try them on and show you guys in a separate clip so you guys can see what these look like on my feet. But let me see if I can get the name for you guys. Like I said, this was a gift, so I don't really know the exact specs and details on this. So here we have it. They are the Mules in black and white, lambskin embroidered 21S. So I'm gonna see if I can try to find these on the Chanel site or maybe on Saks and link it down below. Super cute, super cute. So I definitely plan on wearing these shoes like crazy during the summertime and the springtime. I am so glad that he actually purchased these in black and white because I love wearing the color black, and white is always like a nice classic crisp color, so the combination between the two is just perfect to me. And I'm gonna be able to match these with so many different things in my wardrobe. One outfit idea that I have is like a nice pair of like denim shorts. If you watched my Zara haul, my Zara spring haul, I purchased a nice pair of denim shorts. I'll be sure to link it in the cards. And I think these are gonna look so cute with them, and a nice blazer, a white tee, cute crossbody. I can definitely see these as well with like a nice like olive green or like green jumpsuit. I think that would look super cute, or romper. A white summer dress. Oh my gosh, I actually got a super cute white dress from H&M. I'm gonna be uploading an H&M spring haul very soon as well, but I think that will match super cute with these. And I think these shoes are just going to like just work with so much. Like I said, this was a surprise, so it's just what do I say besides the fact that thank you and yay, you know what I mean? So okay guys, let me show you guys the shoes again. All right, you guys, here is the shoe here. As you can see, it does read Chanel on the sandal. It does say Chanel here as well. So these are the Mules. Here's the little heel as well. Okay. Super cute. All right, you guys, so as you can see, as I'm wearing them on my feet, they are super cute. They fit perfectly. I also feel like, just like me wearing them right now, of course I haven't worn them out yet, they feel very comfortable. It does not feel hard at all. It feels very comfortable. And yeah, I just love them so much. I feel like they're going to be really great in the summertime. I actually also really love the little mule heel at the back. I feel like it just adds something else that's like super cute and feminine. And we know Chanel is a feminine girl. She's a feminine brand. So I feel like that is just awesome. Love it so much. So if you are on the hunt for a really cute summer shoe that you can wear shopping, you can wear for like a day date, a brunch for sure, a vacation. This gives me vacation vibes, ultimate vacation vibes. If you're looking for a shoe like that, then I definitely recommend you check this pair out. I'm going to leave the exact name to these shoes either on the screen here or down in the description box, just so you guys can reference it and find it yourself. Yeah, so these are just the perfect summer spring shoe. I will definitely keep you guys updated as I'm wearing this, and I want to do a styling video for sure. When I do that styling video, please be sure to keep an eye out and stay tuned so you can see that and see how I style these and how I wear these. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys, and you guys have already seen what they look like, but I'm going to definitely style them up for you guys in another video for sure. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Modeling Michelle. I drop all of the fashion, all of the style, all of those things on my Instagram. So please be sure to check me out there and follow me, just so you can stay up to date on all of my just fashion and styling and everything like that. I definitely include a lot of that on my Instagram. All right, you guys, so that was my unboxing of my new Chanel Mules. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it and comment down below just letting me know what you love the most about these shoes. If you do have these shoes as well, or just like Chanel slides or Mules, please let me know how you love them, what you love about them, how much you've worn them, how much they're worth it. Just let me know down below and we can chat about it. And then also subscribe if you enjoy this video as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I definitely appreciate all of you guys and all of the good feedback that you guys have been giving me on my past videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye, y'all.